Good day, good day, good day. I greet you all. I greet you again. Thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Mohamud. I also go by the name Alpha Wolf Forex. And yeah, today we are going to be looking at Nasdaq and gold. Obviously we can't leave gold behind, and then if you want to get more of videos like this, or you want to do more analysis with me, you can join any of our teams that we have plenty of teams for you. I will explain more after this video. Otherwise, you are tuning into Currency Market Execution, your channel with the difference. This is where we cover everything to do with forex. We do analysis, we do education, so do make sure that you check out the channel and look for more material in the channel. We have a lot of stuff that we have covered so far that can benefit you a lot in your forex trading and your journey. Otherwise, I'm excited. I'll tell you the good news. I can't hold myself. But otherwise, yeah, let's just get down to it. If you did not yet subscribe, because this video we normally do this with the team, so this one is a YouTube one. So if you did not yet subscribe to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that like. Also, it does make a big difference to us and we do enjoy seeing it. Otherwise, you can comment and share your views or whatever that you want to comment. Hit it in the comment section and I'll make sure that I get back to you as soon as I can. Let us just go through it. Otherwise, you can see here, let me just fix this. Okay, yeah, you can see here, this is the previous. We had actually, the week before this one we had a very good week, but the last week was brilliant. Though we did not trade the whole week, it was brilliant. Especially Monday, we had a very beautiful, there were so many trades that went our way, and then we were able to collect a lot of points that also allowed us and gave us the freedom to not like stress ourselves for the rest of the week. Otherwise, yes, we had a brilliant week. This is gold. This is the previous trade. We were able to lock in maximum profits, and though we're doing a trail stop, this is a previous trade that we had with gold. It was wonderful. So looking at this market on an hourly chart, you can clearly see that gold is currently stuck in a range. We've covered this thing in our chart pattern that we are doing. We are currently busy with the series. I've posted I think 4 videos in the channel, so please do make sure that you check them out and check that videos out. They are very important. I mean, the strategies that I share there, that's some of the strategies that I use, and then they appear quite often in the chart. Here you can see gold is stuck in a range. I'm sorry if I just keep looking away. I'm actually using multiple screens, and yeah, so gold is stuck in a range. As you can see, this is a nice beautiful range that you can see. It broke the range here and then it continued. So now you can see this zone previously was a previous important I call them zones of interest. I call them zones of interest. Let me just do this so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me just do this for now. Okay, I call them zones of interest. So you see the zone here previously, we benefited. I don't want to talk about this trade. We took maximum points on it. Just want to save time and make this as short as possible. And yeah, so the market went, it found a resistance here, retraced, broke the resistance, went up, found another zone here which it is now currently using. So this is now the current zone that is using. This is now will be your support where the market is now. It's currently here, so it's on this previous resistance now, 10 support. But you can see this is a very big zone and the market is trying to break this zone here. It is trying to break this zone here. So what I see happening here on the market, I just see, okay, let me just show you. The market came here, hit this level, push down here. It is currently now on this previous resistance, which is now support. So there's a major a possibility of the market pushing up to test here, but what I see happening is it's going to reject and come to test this level right here. So this zone, this will be your next zone of interest right around here. So that's how I see the market busy. But like obviously you will have to wait for the market to open, wait for the next 3 or 4 candles. But gold sometimes can be very tricky, can push up and not give you a chance. But here I see a big possibility. I see a big possibility of another try to go retest and then push down to come test this level, and then from here anything can happen. It can push down, it can also go up and continue to get stuck in this range. What we usually do, this is the pre-market analysis, so we just seen the possibility, so when the market reacts we can know what to expect. After the market opens, we're going to do another analysis, which is now analyzing the market fully based on what the market is doing when the market is open. Remember, gold is very sensitive to the vaccine news. I've did on the previous videos where I was explaining what's happening, so do check it out in the channel. So that also will play part, but the technicals always overrule fundamentals in the long term. You know, short-term fundamentals, they can have an impact on the market, but in the long term the technicals will take over. So that's how I see gold tomorrow. What will be happening when the market open, I see it trying to retest the previous resistance, and then after that it will fail and then continue to push further down. We did this with the team, like what I'm doing. This trade that you see here, I did it on the video analysis. I analyzed this trade and then we did it with the team, and then it went the direction that we saw because of the experience. I might be doing this quite quickly, but there's far more things that if I'll explain, this video will take long. That's why I've got other videos which explains these things in the channel. So if you did not yet subscribe, please make sure that you subscribe so that when you share those videos you do not miss out. So that's how I see the goal. Let us see how our Nasdaq is doing. Okay, Nasdaq also, we had a good trade, though we did not finish the trade. We ended up getting trail stop with the premium team, as you can see here. Also this last week trades, and then I just it was already late, so I said let's put a trail stop because I don't want to hold this trade overnight. And yeah, we put a trail stop and we got trail stopped out just below our first target. And then the market retraced, went down, but we already out of the trade here, positive out. We just took some, I think it was just around 200 and something points, not a lot when you think about Nasdaq, how much you can actually get. But yes, and then the market retraced, went here, but it never hit the stop loss region. We're already out, and then pushed here past that, but this was basically the next day noon. So I just went out of the trade and then I left the Nasdaq and I didn't actually trade it. I was looking at other opportunities and mostly forex pairs. So this is what's happening now. Nasdaq always moves, I won't say in the same direction with gold, but they react the same. They'll have an impulse and then get stuck in a range. Impulse, get stuck in a range, either retrace from that range, or and then your rectangles, your flags. Yes, they are very common in gold and Nasdaq. So basically this is a range, a new range that just started. You see, it was a small range, but like these ranges I explained on the previous video also that I'm talking about, that you don't take this range seriously, because even though you trade them, you'll never benefit from them. They're quite small, they always break quickly, and then it broke, and then there's now a range which looks a bit of a solid range established. We're seeing Nasdaq pushing up to test this level here. Nasdaq, unlike gold, it's very hard to predict whether it will stay on that level or it will break it, because it is very volatile. Gold is volatile, but gold, you can know the movements of what it's gonna do because it's a commodity. So Nasdaq, normally it will do that. Sometimes it will break a range and come back to the range. So you have to always be careful and check your candles. Not only that, just check your candles and what the market is doing, and obviously there is fundamentals out there. So otherwise I see it pushing here, and I see it also let me do this so you can see here, after it broke this mini range, it came here, found support here, it's pushing now. It is currently testing this level, so I see it pushing here, or it can even retrace right at this point. But we always wait for the first 2-3 hours, especially on an hour chart. So it can push here and then go down, but I see it like ranging a little bit, going around here and then coming to test this level. And then from here we will have to analyze again and see what is going to happen, whether it is going to break this level and continue going down, or it's going to go up. But with Nasdaq, I always say, and it is most likely to push up than down, though, because when you're trading, looking, because on a long term it is a bullish instrument. technically, you know. So but then since you are trading forex, you are trading minute movements. So in your minute movements, you know, something like a small correction to the downside can be something huge to you. So otherwise, that's how I see it. The other pairs and everything else, especially forex pairs, we're going to do with the team. I don't want this video to be very long. This is our pre-market analysis. So we covered gold, we covered Nasdaq, the exact technical values I will post again. As I'm doing this video, I'm doing it for YouTube, so, and I'm also doing it for the team. So I keep on saying I will post more videos I'm talking about for the teams, né? So to add not to add confusion. So otherwise, I will do another video tomorrow where we actually analyze the market and then we do send out the signals. Otherwise, I am so excited, and yeah, if you do want to join our teams, do check out the website. The link is in the description. We've got many packages you can see right now on the screen. We have many packages that you can choose from, technical, fundamentals, highly accurate. Otherwise, you know, I didn't want to announce this earlier. I was just been busy for the past, you know, 1-2 months creating and working on a very good robot, or EA, what you can call it. So we're going to be launching it very soon. I am happy to say that it has passed. You know, I didn't want to announce before it goes through the test and the back testing and everything. I said no, let me just wait for that to happen, and once that happens and then we see the results are extremely good, then I will announce it. So I'm not sure when it will be available because we have to, you know, do some minor things, but I am happy to say it passed the back test and the testing. You know, it is extremely good. I cannot release more details. I will, because I, you know, just excitement right now, but as time goes on I will release more, you know, on how you can get the robot and how everything is working. But we still give out signals, we still give out courses, we still give out more, because we are leaders in forex trading and education. We are currency market execution. If you did not yet subscribe, please do hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, my name is Mohamud. I also go by the name Alpha Wolf Forex. You can call me Proqnosiz, and it is always a pleasure to drop a video for you guys. And we are still continuing with the series with the forex chart pattern. As I said, if you want to know or analyze the way we do check out the videos. We do share some real information, we do share some real education for you for free. But if you want extremely more and more intense and more advanced, where we can make longer videos for you, please do check out the courses in our website. They are highly interactive and they are very good. We do have assessments, and you know, it's just a beautiful community. Otherwise, my name is Mohamud. I will see you again in the next video, and please do not skip this next video that is coming right now, because you can choose between the two of them because you need them.